Hi, kids! Join us on a fruity adventure where we'll discover delicious fruits, learn their names, and fun facts about each one. Let's get started. Mangoes are sweet, juicy fruits with bright yellow flesh. They taste great on their own, in smoothies, or in desserts. Mangoes are full of vitamin C, which helps keep you strong and healthy. Their tropical flavor makes them a favorite treat for everyone. Apples are crunchy, sweet fruits that come in red, green, or yellow. They're a healthy snack and can be eaten on their own or added to desserts. Apples are full of vitamins, especially vitamin C, which helps keep you strong and healthy. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. Guava. Guavas are sweet and juicy fruits with green or yellow skin and soft pink or white flesh inside. They're rich in fiber, which helps with digestion, and they also contain lots of tiny seeds you can eat. Guavas are a tasty and healthy treat, perfect for snacking or making juice. Grapes. Grapes are small, sweet fruits that come in green, red, or purple. They can be eaten fresh, made into juice, or turned into raisins. Grapes are fun to snack on and are full of antioxidants that help keep you healthy and energetic. Raspberries are tiny, red or black berries that are sweet and tangy. They're perfect for snacking, adding to yogurt, or making delicious jams. Raspberries are full of fiber and antioxidants, which help keep you strong and healthy. Bananas are long, yellow fruits that are soft and sweet inside. They're easy to peel and make a great snack. Bananas give you lots of energy and are full of potassium, which helps keep your muscles strong and healthy. Oranges are round, juicy fruits with a bright orange skin. They're full of sweet, tangy juice and are packed with vitamin C, which helps keep you healthy. Oranges are great for a tasty snack or refreshing juice. Peaches are soft, fuzzy fruits with sweet, juicy flesh inside. They have a lovely pinkish-orange color and are perfect for snacking, making pies, or adding to fruit salads. Peaches are delicious and full of vitamins to help keep you healthy. Pineapples are tropical fruits with a spiky green-brown skin and sweet yellow flesh inside. They have a tangy flavor and are great for snacking, making smoothies, or adding to dishes. Pineapples are full of vitamins and enzymes that help keep you strong and healthy. Watermelons are large, juicy fruits with a green rind and sweet, red flesh inside. They're perfect for hot days because they're full of water and very refreshing. Watermelons are great for snacking and staying hydrated. Strawberries are bright red, sweet berries with tiny seeds on the outside. They're delicious on their own, in smoothies, or as a topping for desserts. Strawberries are rich in vitamin C, which helps boost your immune system and keep you healthy. Papaya. Papayas are tropical fruits with bright orange flesh and black seeds inside. They're sweet and juicy, perfect for breakfast or a refreshing snack. Papayas are rich in vitamin A, which helps keep your eyes and skin healthy. Cherries are small, round fruits with a deep red color and a sweet tart flavor. They're great to eat fresh or use in desserts. Cherries are also rich in vitamin A, which supports healthy vision and skin. Kiwis are small, brown fruits with fuzzy skin and bright green flesh inside. They have a sweet and tangy flavor. Kiwis are full of vitamin K, which helps your blood clot and keeps your bones strong. They originally come from New Zealand and are now enjoyed all over the world. Pomegranate. Pomegranates are round, red fruits filled with juicy ruby red seeds called arils. They have a sweet tart flavor and are great for snacking or adding to salads. Pomegranates are rich in antioxidants and vitamins, especially vitamin K, which helps with bone health and blood clotting. They are native to the Middle East and are enjoyed around the globe. Avocado. Avocados are creamy green fruits with a smooth, buttery texture and a large seed in the middle. They have a mild, rich flavor and are great for spreading on toast or adding to salads. Avocados are full of healthy fats, which are good for your heart. They originally come from Central and South America and are now enjoyed worldwide. Thanks for joining our fruity fun. We hope you enjoyed learning about all these delicious fruits. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and come back for more fun adventures. See you next time.